Friends, be careful while making any structural designing over the expansive soil, especially when it comes to the RCC Foundation. In this video, we are going to reveal expansive soils and its key properties, how it affects RCC Foundation, pressure release valve and its design by AI corporate engineer, and a real life incident in Bhubaneswar. What happened without pressure release valve? Don't skip the video, watch till the end. Missing this could cost you a big on your next project. When constructing a building over the expansive soil, one of the most critical components that must be considered in the foundation design is the pressure release valve. First, we should know expansive soil and its key properties. Expansive soil, commonly clay soil, contains the minerals like the montmorillonites that absorbs the water. During the rainy or wet conditions, these types of the soils swells dramatically as it soaks in the moisture. Conversely, in dry season, it shrinks as it loses the water. These cyclical expansions and contractions generate upward or lateral pressure, which can be extremely damaging to any kind of the structure above it. Second one, how it affects the RCC foundations. When water seeps into expansive soil below the RCC foundation, the soil expands and getting upward force by ground level water on the foundation. It leads leaving cracking or uneven settlement of RCC bed foundation. If you not release the extreme ground level water, then the RCC foundation may swell off and it compromise the integrity of the entire structure. Third, pressure release valve and its design. Pressure release valves are installed as per the drawing on the screen. You can view direct from the construction site. It is installed before concrete or with the reinforcement job. It allows the build up the pressure from the ground level water. It prevent upward swelling or bulging of the bed foundations. It act as a safety mechanism in high water table or monsoon prone area. Fourth and final, a real life incident in Bhubaneswar. What happened without pressure release valve? We conclude that every structural engineer should think carefully while designing over the expansive soil, from where PRB are not optional, they are essential and a prime safety factor in advanced structural engineering.
लंबा रड नहीं अलगा रड भर्ती करी गले हबो हबन
My engineering friends, if you want more, don't forget to subscribe your channel. We will be with you in advanced engineering topic on the next video completely free. Bye bye.